Assalamu alaikum students, we are here again with our last chapter, and in this chapter only your grammar part will be taken, and it's divided into two parts. One is types of sentences and the other one is kinds of adverbs. So let's go. Okay, now look at this, children. Is this a sentence? Is market the going to Fatma? Dogs to fight the table cat the under is. No, we don't speak like that. Okay, so the correct sentence will be Fatma is going to the market, the two dogs fought, the cat is under the table. Therefore, we understand that a group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. Based on this meaning, there are four kinds of sentences. We have done this before, but again I am sending it to you all again. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. A declarative sentence. A sentence can be a statement and it tells us something like, and this will be called as a declarative sentence. For example, this is a flower. I am going home. I am teaching right now. So, I have just given you a statement. A declarative sentence can also be called as a statement, simple statement. Interrogative sentence. What is the meaning of interrogation? To ask. So, an interrogative sentence will be a question. That means a sentence can also be a question, means it will ask something. It will always begin with the WH type of words, you know that, and it can be also formed with the help of helping verbs. Such sentences are known as interrogative sentences. Now, you know what are the WH type of words, like for example, what are you doing, where do you live, who is standing next to you, and there are other one here. You have what, where, who, how, which. I will give you a pictorial representation in the end. How, where, when and when. Okay, and your helping verbs will be is, am, are, was, were, all the words that are used in the verbs. See these, which, okay, whose, and for example, where, why. These are all called as the WH type of verses which I have made. This is something which I have made. Okay, students? Where. For example, where we can make a sentence. Can you look at this and make a sentence? Where is the cat? So, this is called as an interrogative sentence. Here you will see, for example, why are you wearing this? है ना? So, this is called as a WH type of sentence. Imperative sentence. A sentence can also begin with an order, okay, and it orders someone to do something. So, that means imperative sentence may always you will give a order, you will pass an order. It will always begin with a verb and the subject is always hidden. Such sentences are known as imperative. So, look here now, open the book. Here, open and clean, they both are verbs. So, you have to remember that an imperative sentence will always begin with a verb and its subject. Because why I am telling you subject? Why is it necessary? Because in a sentence, subject is very necessary. So, where is this subject? It is hidden. Last, exclamatory sentence. A sentence can be an exclamation also, means it can express a feeling of joy or sadness. Such sentences, joy or sadness, such sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. For example, how lovely she looks, how beautiful is your hair. Now, the question arises that how do we punctuate these type of sentences? What are the punctuation marks you are going to say? When it is a declarative sentence, it will have a full stop. When it is an interrogative sentence, you have to remember it will have a question mark. An imperative sentence will again have a full stop, and an exclamatory sentence will have an exclamation mark. That means each sentence any sentence will have a punctuation mark. So now I hope you all have understood, and happy learning.